Your father left something for you before he died. You can't tell him now.
Tell me what?
Nobody should be at this door.
Alright, so this is my workflow for generating cinematic storytelling videos. So first I generate my storyboard using ChatGPT, and I also generate my script. So this is it. Then I will now generate the image for the storyboard so that I can get the characters right. So there is a prompt for that as well that you use in generating both. Now it gives the amount of seconds it's going to use in generating it, the exact visuals, the dialogue they are saying, what exactly they are saying, and the actions they are taking. So I'm going to download this image right here, and instead of using Grok, right, Grok would have been the perfect one to use for this, but it's very costly. So I use Google AI Pro for my workflows, and I don't generate the scenes one after the other. I use the AI agent feature inside Google Omni, the latest Google feature that just came out. Alright, so my image is saved. Then I will copy the entire write-up here. Then I'm going to head over to my Chrome browser, then open my Google Flow. Then I'm going to come right here, just right here. Then I'm going to paste my prompts, all the full prompt I just copied. I'm going to paste everything right here. Then I'm going to click on this plus button to insert my storyboard image for character consistency. Alright, so this is it, the first image right here. That's my storyboard image. So I'm going to wait for it to load, then I'm going to add it to the scene. Alright, so it has loaded, so I'm going to click on add to prompt, and I'm going to send it. So the agent is going to respond to me, right? Then I'm going to approve its generation. Now let's see what the agent does. Alright, so you can see the agent reading dialogue already. Since we want to log the continuity phases, should we generate visual consent? So I will tell it to generate all videos. Okay, generates all videos as the storyboard has scripted it, and the prompt maintain character consistency throughout. So now I'm going to send this and see what comes out of it. Okay, so the video said 5 seconds, but it only has 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and 10 seconds. Okay, so he's asking me, would you like to start by generating the 3 character reference image first, and should we set the video creation? So I will just tell it, use the uploaded reference image and use 6 seconds. So I'm going to upload the image again. It seems it doesn't read the image the first time, so I'm going to add this again so that it can read it. Alright, so you just have to pay attention to what it's saying. Then let's see what comes out from here. So the reason why I'm not generating one after the other, I want to save time, right? So let's see if it's going to understand us. Alright, so I'm going to initiate the generation of all 6 video clips for your storyboard, The Money My Mother Left Behind. Each video will be generated using OmniFlash for 6 seconds using your updated layout. Would you like to kick off the 6, costing you 60 credits? So I'm going to click on approve. So if you have enough credits, you don't have to worry about generation. You just keep getting it the way I actually showed you on how you can get your Google AI Pro for 18 months duration. Now you can see the 6 shots are generating already. So now instead of you generating your scenes one by one, you just create it once. All right, you can see all my 6 generations are complete the same way we have it in our storyboard. Now let me head over to ChatGPT so you can see the characters in the storyboard. Can you see them here? Can you see those characters? Can you see how it looks alike, right? All right, now let me watch my videos one after the other. Now this is the first scene, so I'm going to watch this. Okay, now that's the first scene. Then I'm going to add clips here. So I'm going to add I think the next scene should be this. Then I'm going to add to scene. So that's how I keep adding them, and I will download everything, right? Then I'm going to download it as a full clip. But if you can't use this, you can actually take it to your CapCut or your editing app so that you can match those scenes together. So I'm going to match this particular video so that we can see the output. All right, guys.
Mommy, you promised me that money. I promised you nothing.
What money?
Your father left something for you before he died. You can't tell him now.
Tell me what?
Nobody should be at this door.